Here lately, I've been hearing people talk about their JKs popping, and well, mine was popping. I've been all over this thing trying to figure it out. I went and had it lined up, and before I had it lined up, I put a new drive shaft on it. Now that fixed. I had some popping issues going on. Now that did fix some popping, but what after I carried it over, Tyler French and myself, we discovered what was popping, and it's where the track bar bolts onto the axle and that bracket. The bolt is just a little bit undersized, and over a little bit of time it gets a little movement and it starts wallering the hole out. To fix this problem, get you some grade 8 washers and weld them things to the bracket, and make sure the bolt's good and tight before you weld it. And those washers is actually going to become part of the bracket, so it's going to give it more surface to make contact with the bolt. It's going to get that popping out. I just done this one. I'm fixing to clean it up and paint it, so you'll never know, you'll never see it. Just wanted to share this with you. Just little tricks along the way. If I find something, I'll share with you. But the JK is not popping no more.